Hello you guys, it's Kathy again. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, like I said in the previous video with the entry to my February giveaway, yesterday I had a horrible migraine and I took a nap in the afternoon, so I slept for a few hours. When I woke up, the pain was better, manageable, and then during the night I couldn't sleep because I had taken a nap, so I was up until like 3:30 a.m. making tassels, guys. And these are the tassels I have here right in front of me, and I'm gonna show them to you. I hope you like them, guys. This one is one of them, so you can see it's two different blue colors, and I'm adding here this gold beads and the turquoise one, and see it's a bicolor one, two different colors, really pretty. Because I'm going to be sending a friend mail. You might not get it in time for Valentine's, you might get it after, like the following week or so, but you will be getting especially the people that enter in the giveaway, in the January giveaway. I'm sending out thank you cards and with a little something. So it's going to be slow going out because I'm crafting, so it's going to take a while, guys, but you're gonna get a thank you card and a little something else from me. This is yellow and green. I'm thinking that this could be great for like a St. Patrick's pocket letter or something like that on the side. So then we have this orange one. It's orange and gold, and look at this. This is, you know, multicolor. I think it's really pretty. Then I was super tired at 3:30 and I went to bed. But I have more yarn to make more. And I used to cross stitch a lot before, so this it's from when I used to cross stitch. This one is red and gold. Can you see it right there? Yeah, there you go, red and gold. This one here, it's pastel pink and yellow. It's a brighter yellow. And this one has pink and gold and yellow beads. This one is purple. I'm thinking that, I don't know if I'm gonna send this like separate as a gift, or if I'm gonna add this to like a memdex or a pocket letter. I don't know. I think I might just send it separate, so whoever the recipient is can use this in, like, you know, like give them the use that they want to do with them, you know, not necessarily attached to something, so you can add it to your planner or whatever, you know. Look at this one. This is two different pinks, and it has that pink star and gold and pink and gold. And this one is red. There are two different reds in there. I don't know if you can see. It's like a red and a pink. I don't know. And it has some pink beads and the black heart. And more pink beads and that star, shiny star. You guys, I was trying to do my nails and I did a horrible job, and I got all my fingers up with polish. This one is, again, this one is also yellow and pink. This is a lighter yellow though, and a pastel pink, and those are the beads. This one is purple and pink. See? Purple and pink. It's pretty. This one Look at this one. This is like a multi-color one. Different color pinks. It has metallic beads and those white stars, holographic stars. Really pretty. Look at this one. This one is like turquoise or Tiffany blue color. This is just a one color, and it has blue and gold beads here, and that star, it's like a holographic star. And this one, it's a turquoise and a blue, like a navy blue, and this has silver beads and blue and turquoise. See the nail polish there? Yeah, guys, so this is what I did last night until 3 a.m. So I hope you like this. Let me know what you think, and I'll probably make more because I have more of that thread or yarn or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to be making more probably because I'm making a stash of different things that I want to send out. So yeah, you guys, that's all I wanted to share for now, and I will be back. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.